guys and gals, Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to be unboxing this H+O Laminator for A4 size sheets. And we also have some used H+O pouches. So we'll go ahead and get started. It says ideal for home use for text imported documents and printed materials, quick warm up time, and lightweight. Claims on the box. So go ahead, slide this out. So you've got the instruction manual and then the laminator itself all wrapped up in bubble wrap. Alright, so go ahead, remove the bubble wrap, and here we have our laminator. It's got a protective covering on it, so we'll just peel that off and plug it in. It's got cold or hot, and on and off. So seems pretty standard. It also has a jam release button back here, which is something I haven't seen on other models. Input voltage 222 volt, 40 volt, 50 hertz. And so yeah, that is what comes in the box. Pretty simple. Laminator and manual. Alright guys, thanks for watching this brief unboxing. If you want to see a full tutorial on plugging in your laminator and turning it on and processing it, click this link. Alright guys, if you want your product featured, please visit www.GHG2NZ.com and hit contact to get in touch. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more future content. We'll catch you guys for the next one.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.